Good morning, student. Today we continue the second element of directing, that is motivation. Motivation is a process which excites people to work for the attainment of desired objectives. That means to encourage someone to achieve the organizational goal. There are some features of motivation that it is an internal feeling, because you can't imagine, you can't direct a person who is already satisfied by his work. There is some keen hunger for success must be there to motivate someone. Motivation produces the goal-directed behavior. You feel, you encourage the people to give the directions. Motivation can be of two types. If we are giving them motivate to do the work according to the desirable by the society or the laws, that is a positive motivation. And sometimes illegal act के लिए भी उकसाना वो भी एक motivation रहता है, but it is a negative motivation. Motivation दोगला point ही है, can be positive or a negative, and motivation is a complex process. Now, how can be a person is motivated? A person can be motivated through the various incentives, and these incentives can be categorized into the two parts. The first is financial and other one is non-financial. Financial, that is in terms of money, extra money, and non-financial, that means that is free accommodation, lunch, provision of lunch during the office hours by the help of the organization. This is called non-financial. Vacations, holidays, vacations trip, that is also a part. When someone is completed his target, as a reward, the company give them tickets to USA or something, or Dubai, something where he gets some refreshments. So types of allowances and the types of incentives, that is are under the category of financial. The first is pay and allowances. Productivity linked wage system, जितने भी यूनिट्स क्रिएट हो रही हैं उसी हिसाब से पैसों से कैलकुलेट करके ही देना. जैसे हमने अप्रोच पढ़ी थी डिफरेंशियल पेज पे सिस्टम इज लिंक्ड टू दैट. Bonus, extra money granted after end of the year. Profit sharing, co-partnership, retirement benefit just like pension, provident fund, and perquisite zestment, extra benefit given by in terms of money. Non-financial incentives are status when you give periodical promotions. Organizational climate must be safe and peaceful. Career advancement opportunity means regular training, research program must be there. Job enrichment. Enrichment related to the extra knowledge or extra curriculum activity. And next is employee recognition program. Job security must be there. Employee participation at all level, and employee empowerment schemes. The next element is leadership, means influencing the people in a manner so that they're doing the work according to your wish. There are some features to influencing the people. Behavior changes process, interpersonal relationship between the management and the leader followers, common goals achieving, and it is a continuous process. And there is some types of leadership. The first leadership is about autocratic. In this leadership style, there are total 3 styles in the leadership. The first one is autocratic, democratic, and third one is free-rein. Rein का मतलब क्या होता है? बेलगाम, कि आपको पूरी ही freedom दे दी, you have to do the work. Autocratic, that means you also have a complete independency. When you give the work, you have to take the decisions. And democratic means that a mutual decision has been taken by all the organization members. And laissez-faire, meaning that it refers to a leadership style in which leader gives the subordinates complete freedom to make the decision. But in autocratic, it refers to a leadership style in which the leader tends to run the show all by himself. Okay. These are the meanings of three: advantage and disadvantage. We will discuss in the next video. Till bye bye.